Today's video is brought to you by whatever manufacturer solvents you use. They are two-part solvents. One's a cleaner or primer, and the other one is, we'll call it the glue. You need to use both of them. Let me show you why. So after turning on and off the meter that's right there, and running over here to where the water was leaking, I managed to chase this leak back to this location over here. And there it is. Just in case you missed that the first time, there is a 30-foot royal palm tree right next to where this hole is at. The royal palm grew and was pushing on this connection. Primer matters. Please use it on all repairs. Clearly, this person started to use it and then decided, this one doesn't need primer, it'll never break. And now I'm out here today to fix it. All right, so I take it back. Maybe they did use primer, but I don't know. Maybe they just didn't use enough of it, or maybe their primer was crappy that day. I have no idea. Either way, the pipe blew out, as you can see, and we made our repair. Good to go. Now we can backfill it and go home.